Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use headers and sections in Microsoft Word. Headers and section breaks are useful for organizing long documents, creating different page layouts, and displaying different information in different parts of your document. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document you want to edit. Let us begin by adding a header. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Insert tab, click the Header button. A menu will appear showing different header styles. Select the style you prefer. Once the header area opens, type the information you want to appear at the top of each page, such as a document title, company name, chapter title, or date. When you finish editing the header, click Close Header and Footer or double-click anywhere in the main document area. Now let's look at sections. Sections allow you to divide a document into separate parts that can have different formatting, page numbering, headers, footers, margins, or page orientations. Place your cursor where you want to start a new section. Next, click on the Layout tab. In the Layout tab, click Breaks. Under the Section Breaks category, you will see several options, such as Next Page, Continuous, Even Page, and Odd Page. For most situations, choose Next Page. This creates a new section starting on the next page. After inserting the section break, your document is divided into separate sections. To use different headers in each section, double-click the header area in the new section. You will notice that the header may be linked to the previous section. In the Header and Footer tab, click Link to Previous to turn it off. Once the link is removed, you can create a different header for the new section without affecting the previous section. Finally, save the document by clicking File, then Save to keep all changes. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to use headers and sections in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.